Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Adobe Media Cache to improve editing performance safely. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Open the project you wish to edit. Navigate to the Edit menu located at the top left of the screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down list. In the Preferences window, click on Media Cache. Note the current Media Cache location displayed on the screen. Open the File Explorer on your computer. Go to the folder indicated as the Media Cache location. Create a new folder named Adobe Media Cache Backup. Select all files within the current Media Cache folder. Drag and drop these files into your newly created backup folder. This will take some time depending on the size of your cache files. Once the transfer is complete, return to Adobe Premiere Pro. To optimize performance, consider clearing the Media Cache. In the Preferences window, click on Delete under Media Cache. Choose to delete cache files that are not currently in use. Confirm the deletion process when prompted. After clearing the cache, recheck the performance of your editing software. This can lead to improved responsiveness during your editing workflow. If you need to restore from backup in the future, navigate to the Backup folder. Select the files you want to restore and copy them. Paste these files back into the original Media Cache location. Restart Adobe Premiere Pro to ensure the changes take effect. You have now safely backed up and optimized your Adobe Media Cache. Enjoy improved editing performance as you continue your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.